Okay, so now to learn Postgres, we are going to need some data. We can do the thing from scratch and insert some data and create tables from scratch, but we are going to do that to learn. But now let's have some dummy data so we can easily learn all the commands and that we are going to need. So we don't have to do for all the manual processing of adding data. So you will just need to take that file that you will have in the link of this video, and I'm going to go to my server that you register, databases, Postgres, schemas, public, and here I'm going to create a right click and type restore, and here you are going to need to put the path of that file that you downloaded, this dvd rental.tar, and I'm going to select this, restore, and it's going to restore. Ignore this error if you have, and I'm going to type refresh, and here, if you will see, I have 15 tables that were added by this script that I provided you. So we can easily have some dummy data so we can learn Postgres. Good job.